Fidelity Go Review 2025. Is this robo-advisor right for you? Most people get robo-advisors wrong by assuming they're only for tech-savvy investors. Fidelity Go in 2025 promises a hands-off, low-cost way to invest, but is it right for you? Fidelity Go is a fully managed robo-advisor that builds and monitors your portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. The surprising truth is how accessible it is. You won't believe what happens next when you realize there's no minimum investment requirement for accounts under zero, making it ideal for beginners. Another advantage is simplicity. Most people get this wrong by thinking robo-advisors require constant monitoring. Fidelity Go automatically rebalances your investments and reinvests dividends, saving you time and stress. The platform charges a low monthly fee based on account balance, which is straightforward and transparent. However, there are cons. Fidelity Go doesn't offer as many advanced features as full-service advisors or platforms like Vanguard Personal Advisor. For investors seeking custom tax strategies, estate planning, or personalized advice, it may feel limited. Also, accounts under zero incur a 35% annual fee, which can be higher than some competitors if your balance is small. In conclusion, Fidelity Go is ideal for beginner or intermediate investors in 2025 who want a simple, automated way to grow the wealth without the complexity of managing investments manually. It's trustworthy, easy to use, and cost-effective for accounts of various sizes. If you're looking for hands-on control or specialized financial planning, you might consider complementing it with other resources, but for straightforward, automated investing, Fidelity Go delivers on its promise.